Hey, this is me again. I have some improvement in my hand, so I would like to share the update with you. First of all, as you can see, it got much better, movement and faster than before. Now it's been almost like 1 month, 1 year, and you can say 2 months, almost 1 year, 2 months, or like this, or like 1 year and 1 month. Anyways, what I gained now, that I can do thumbs up. See, before it was impossible to do this, not even small extension, but now see, I can do almost full extension of the thumb. I had very low chance to be able to use this finger again according to my surgeon, but now thanks God I can do it. See, my muscles here, you can see them, can notice they're moving, you can tell they're moving.